Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable speech recognition. How we can do this. This is a very simple step. First of all, we simply need to go to our settings. For that, there is the start button. Simply click on this and then go to the settings. Click on the settings button. And here we have a search bar. Here we need to tap the accessibility and simply click on the enter. These are the settings and display of the accessibility. Simply click on this. And here we have a multiple options, but we need to go to the speech. This is my speech option. Simply click on the speech. And here you can see speech recognition is currently turned off, but I want to turn on this. Simply click on this button. And here you can see a pop-up. Click on the next. Same goes to the next. Headset microphone is on. Next. And same goes to the next. And simply click on the cancel button. Here you can see now your speech recognition is on. And if you want to disable this, simply you need to click here and it will disable easily. So by using this simple step, you can easily enable or disable sneak recognition. Get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.